Hey guys. All right. So as promised, I'm making you a video to show you how I use IGTV, TikTok, and to show you why it's really this awesome resource that we have to reach more people, to help more people know who we are and what our heart is. And so what I did just now, let me just share my screen with you guys really quickly. Okay, so you should be able to see my phone here. So I'm going to show you what I did first of all. So, I'm always telling you guys, go live on Facebook, on Instagram, whatever. So I'm going to teach you how you can do this and not like work harder, but work smarter. Because when you go live on Facebook or you go live on Instagram, you can actually save that video to your phone. And I did not actually just do that. I actually just made a video. I recorded a video like on my phone just now, but I recorded this video just a minute ago before I hopped on here. So I have that. I'm going to use it for IGTV. But the thing about IGTV, anyway, so if you do a live video, whether it be on meal prep, whether it be on like coaching, what I do as a coach, whether it's on just motivation from your personal development, save it to your phone and you can upload it to IGTV, okay? So you're not having to recreate everything. IGTV, videos have to be under 10 minutes. So if you do this awesome video on a live video on Facebook and it's 10 minutes and 5 seconds, it will not upload it. It has to be below 10 minutes, okay? And so I'm going to click on, see this little TV thing up here by my messenger? If you click on that, okay, so Kelsey Shackley came up. It automatically pulls up. Look, that's awful. It pulls up all these other people who I'm following who are making videos. And so it shows me the people that I'm following. It shows me popular ones. It shows me ones I've started that I didn't finish. But I'm going to click on that little tiny picture of me. And that pulls up my IGTV. And it pulls up ones that I've already made. Obviously, have not made a whole lot. But if I want to add a new one, I hit the plus. And so I'm going to use this video that I just made. So it's going to let me because it's under 10 minutes. And I'm going to call it Growing Beyond Your Current Strengths, because that's what I talked about. And it's also an invite to my team, okay? Growing Beyond. And all I did, guys, what I did was I used my personal development that I read this morning and turned it into a message, turned it into a video, talked about how 4 years ago I didn't know how to do a lot of the things I'm doing now, but I was willing to learn. And I'm looking for people who are like that. Hold on. So I'm going to give it a description. Let's see. How to grow into your potential. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to, okay, and you can actually edit the cover. So if I wanted to go back over here to Word Swag, I could make, let's see, I'm going to use a picture of me. I like that one. I'm going to swipe over and make it an IG story, and I'm going to write over it. Okay, I'm going to call it Grow Beyond Your Current, or Grow, what did I say? Grow into Your Potential. Y'all just bear with me. But I'm showing you everything that I'm doing here. How to. People always love to watch or read something that starts with how to. How to grow into your potential. Okay, I'm going to save it. And that saved it to my phone. And then I'm going to go back over here to my IGTV. I'm going to hit edit cover, upload from. Okay, so that's whenever people see that, that's what they're going to see instead of that awkward picture of me with my hands on my face. And I'm going to post it, and it's going to take a little bit because it's like 6 or 7 minutes long. But everybody that follows me that has the IGTV thing, whenever it uploads, they'll get a notification that I posted something on my IGTV. Okay, and so once it uploads, darn it, I should have waited, but I'll show you with another one. Okay, so that's going to upload. You can actually attach the link to that video to an Instagram story. All right, so if I wanted to post that picture that I just picked. Okay, in my stories, I can put that, and up at the top, there's a link, and it will give me the option to upload. I don't have that one uploaded yet, so I'm going to use another one just to show you. But I link it, and I can say, go to my little emoji, my GIF thing, and type swipe up to watch. Oh, hold on. Swipe up. Let's see. Hold on, it's taking a minute. Let's see, I want to find a different one. All right, so I can say swipe up and then say to watch. Okay. And then if I posted it, whenever someone swipes up from that picture, which I'll do it in just a second with the actual video, it will take them instantly to my Instagram TV. So it's pretty cool. So if you know, like on Instagram, when you have at least 10,000 followers, you can actually attach links to anything in your stories. But I don't have 10,000 followers, but now that I have IGTV, I can direct people to these Instagram videos so that they can learn more about whatever it is I want them to learn more about. And I can do it with cooking, I can do it with meal prep tips, I can do it with meal planning tips, I can do it about like how I'll wash my dog. Like, I don't care, just so long as I'm consistently sharing and people are seeing me and hearing me and getting, it's just another way that people have the opportunity to get to know you better, to hear your voice, to hear your passions. And I'm not going to do like 10 IGTV videos a day. I don't really honestly have time to do that. I don't want to do that. I think it's a little bit obnoxious for me personally. But if you wanted to, you could do them all day long. But I think people would stop watching them if you're just putting content out there just to put it out there. But that one, I wanted to go live today. It was on my to-do list to make an IGTV video about something pertaining coaching. And so that is what I did. So use it. Try it, play with it. It was a little frustrating at first because I was making these videos and they were, you know me, like I'm a talker. And they were more than 10 minutes. And I was like, oh, and I was trying to cut them and use iMovie to do it, and it just didn't work. So now what works best for me, honestly, is either to time myself while I'm making a live video or to record it on my phone so I can see the clock ticking up while I'm making the video. And so that ensures I keep it below 10 minutes. But it's fun. I want to see you guys make some IGTV videos today, okay? And actually, like, this goes in my plan. You know how I'm always talking about making a marketing plan for my week? Like, I've started to plug in throughout my week. I want to make at least 2 or 3 IGTV videos, and that goes in my marketing calendar, okay? So every week I'm doing one about challenge groups or about coaching or sharing a tip or something useful, all right? So go, do, make videos. Tell me what you think and when you do one. Bye.